This is almost 6 a.m. in the morning and I am heading to Shenandoah. The target is to hike the Old Rack Mountain, but I don't think it's possible because it's already 75 degrees and it's very humid. But I'm gonna go and check out that area anyway. Even during summertime, this early morning drive is very pleasant. From the distance, you can see the Shenandoah mountain range before you take the exit for it. This is exactly where the Old Red Mountain is. This is the famous Skyline Drive of the Shenandoah National Park. As you can see, after getting off the exit from 66, someone has to drive quite deep inside this area to get to the Old Red Mountain. But the drive is very scenic and pleasant.
Next right onto US 211 West, US 522 South.
I was really enjoying my drive through this lush green area. The temperature was also getting more and more comfortable as I was approaching the parking lot of the Old Rack Mountain trailhead. That helped me change my mind and I decided to go for a hike and push myself. Attempt. Gotta keep going through this rough terrain, and this is just the beginning. There are plenty more to come. I just wish this was winter time. That's all. Would have made things so much easier. Only did 1.74 miles. Elevation gain of 1845. I hope I'm more than halfway through. Look at this. Can you see the other side of the forest through the trees? There's another mountain way on top of there. Whew. Look at that mountain. We gotta climb up there.
Yeah.
Woo! So these steps are the most difficult part. I mean, when you keep going over these again and again. Other than that, there are lots of switchbacks. More difficult part yet to come, but the good thing is 2.73 miles, so I don't even have a mile left to go, but that doesn't mean it's easy. Let's get going. Look at that, further up the mountain. Beautiful. That's the part people talk about. It's challenging. Now it's my turn. I'm gonna get some rest before I head there. In the meantime, this trail was no easy walk in the park. You had to hop, hike, jump, crawl, and climb to reach to the ultimate summit. But it was totally worth it. However, I would seriously recommend not to go to the top if it's raining. Whoa. It's like Stamos Chief in British Columbia. Alhamdulillah. Subhanallah. Beautiful. Whoa.
Oh,
Nice. It's got a GoPro. That's what we need, yeah? I forgot you had one of those.
people are all the way there. I don't think I'm gonna go that far.
Giant leap. Leap of faith?
So that's the obstacle I've come through. Not as bad as you think. You just need to be careful and slow. Now, all the way there. Still some more hike left. Oh, this is so peaceful. It's cool here. Temperature is just phenomenal. Oh, look at that. Ha ha ha. That's the other challenging part. So I'll have to go through that. Stay tuned. We come from that side now. This cool. It looks like Kinzu Dam area in Allegheny Forest. That's it. Another spectacular view there. Climb that way. Crawl through this.
I remember going
Made it. Woo! Old rag. I did it. Well, I don't think I'm done yet.
Every time I told myself that I was not going to go to the top, I kept going for it.
Well,
And every time I thought I was at the summit, I was
left
off by hundreds of yards.
with that view. I think I should do it. Let's roll.
I do it awesome. Actually, he's actually.
Look at this. Beautiful. Okay, just to let you know, there's a nice gripper kind of thing.
Awesome.
I don't have the rocking terminology, so
Works for me. Thank you.
I'm almost to the top. Seems like I've made it to the summit. You're not hearing any exciting voice in me because it's been grueling, but here it is. Woo! Just when you think it's finished, it's not. I have to keep going this way. But I think I'm gonna focus on my hiking down now instead of taking pictures and videos. But look at this. Beautiful. Cloud moving in. Towards the end of the hike, but still not over yet. The watch has not updated the elevation yet, but I'm sure I'm not in 3,000 feet anymore. It's less than 2,000 now for sure. Oh, perfect. This is exactly what I was looking for. Storm is about to hit us. I think I'm hearing the sound of rain, but I'm not that far away from the parking, maybe a mile. And I thought I was done. I'm not, so apparently that's where I'm parked. That's where I'm at. They told us not to walk on the road, so I have to climb up and then climb down. It's called Soul Crusher. What the heck? This last stretch of the trail feels brutal because after walking like at least 4 miles on easy path, you have to climb up again. Rain has started, but not much dropping on me. Here we go, making things a little smoother towards the last part.
Well, this was definitely a tough hike in this hot and humid weather, but I was super happy to complete this safely. This hike took me almost 6.5 hours, but you can deduct almost 45 minutes out of it because I did some photo shoot and resting and eating food. I'm also sharing some tips regarding how much fluid you need to carry for this kind of hike. I'm carrying this electrolyte and 2 water bottles with me in my bag, and these 2 will be in my vehicle. This is after my hike. When I come back to my vehicle, I want to make sure I have enough fluid to replenish myself, because in that area there will not be any store or any drinking facilities, so this is very important as well.